Kia looks like they're not going to have a tough one with the EV6 because we've been trying to figure out your next electric car, remember? And we're going to just add the EV6 to it. Now, the price point, $45,000, that's a target. They don't know if it's going to land there because they were converting from the European pricing. Now, the EV6, it's a lot like the Ioniq. Remember how they were putting out the similar platform, but with the different looks to it?
Right.
And so this particular option is one of the most anticipated new electric cars this year. The automaker started already taking reservations in Europe and saw stronger than expected demand, around 300% their expected sales volume.
Wow.
So people really want this thing. And people really want electric vehicles. They're ready to move to the electric vehicles, seemingly. And seemingly, they want options other than Tesla. I mean, Tesla's out there, but it looks, for whatever reason, people want some other options. And this represents a big one. The brand obtained 33,000 prospects, including 7,300 reservations. And then 26,000 more customers showed interest in Kia's first dedicated battery electric vehicle. So I guess they're not considered a prospect, but they showed some interest. Well, that's interesting. Customers will be able to order the EV6 from their local dealer from today ahead of production starting in mid-2021. So there's also that aspect, which is when you're a Kia or a Hyundai, you have this dealership network. And some people are comfortable with that.
Yeah.
Like you got a dealer in every town. And so a person can go and like check out a car, test drive a car. They maybe already got a car from that brand and they can trade in their other car. It's a little more traditional in that sense, as opposed to going online, spec it. Tesla has had no trouble moving units in that fashion, but there's obviously some leftover market based on interest that we're seeing here in Europe for this particular vehicle. The Kia EV6 starts at 44,990 euros, which could mean the U.S. price is around 45,000. It'll come with a 58 kilowatt hour battery pack, but there's talk of a dual motor all-wheel drive version and a 77 kilowatt hour battery pack. So you got options just like on the Tesla side. So Will, are you going to take this one or are you going to stick with the Model 3? What are you going to do? I like going shopping with Willie Doo.
This is a close competitor.
He doesn't actually have to buy it. He just has to pretend.
Yeah. Window shopping. I'll still go with the Model 3.
Okay.
Although it's close.
They didn't get you. I thought they might have got you.
Nah.
I'm going to keep working on it on behalf of Kia. I'm going to keep marketing to you. Yeah. We'll see if we can change that. It's tough. I mean, you're a Tesla guy.